Corey back on the Chuco. Come on now. Drop those. Do it, Chips. Okay.
Yeah. Oh!
Oh, man.
Wild!
Oh. That's alright. That's not bad. By any means.
Chips would have been great.
The chips would have been sweet. And wild. Chip, come on, Chip. Oh, you jerk. Where were the wilds at last time?
Chip!
Oh, chip it! Oh, you turds. Return? Don't do it now.
She did a bad nose.
Well, not yet. It ain't done. Just takes one. Oh. Alright guys, 5 cent, Denon, 12.50 bet. Got the Chuco bonus. You better do something here.
Wild! Wild! Yes!
Yeah, that's good.
Yes.
It counts. Is that the first spin? Yeah, it is. Alright, I'm gonna hit the button. All ready? Oh, that's beautiful. First spin.
Oh!
Come on, get
Do
it.
it! Oh, no.
Oh, you little shithead.
Oh, that was big. Come on, Chips. Curtains for days.
Yes, let's see him. Oh, come on, Chips.
Yeah,
All
do
right,
it.
that would do it.
Oh.
Nope. Freaking queens. Oh, come on.
Oh,
look at that. Yeah, return would be.
Do it. Do it.
Come on. Oh, hard.
Do it.
Oh, shit.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
Oh, look at that. That makes me want to.
Even the wilds might have been a hand play.
Right. Denon, 50 cent bet.
12.50
bet. 50
Way
cent,
off.
I said. Come on, let's lay some big ass numbers.
Yes.
Okay. Come on, big mofos.
Get it, Nate.
Come on, Nate. Get them big old puppies. Come on, dude. Big.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Oh!
Wow, that's big. Come on, dude. Keep doing it. Alright, I got this one. There's the Meiji.
Get it, Nate. Major, come on.
Get that Meiji.
Come on.
Oh, that was a...
Oh.
That's alright. That's a big little bonus. It's gonna be big. Alright. I'll take it. Beautiful, guys.
Doing their cup.
$12.50 bet, 10 cents an off. Let's go.
Look at that. Oh! Wild? Wild? Oh, no. 2. Wow. Nope, won't even do it. Come on now. Chuco, do it right now. Wild? Nope. 2 games.
Do it. Wow.
Wild? Yes, okay. Take it.
It's a good one.
Guys, 10 cents, 450. Come on, let's do this. Oh,
Oh, wild, wild, wild! Oh,
that's good. It's not bad at all. Nice, good first hit.
Oh,
I know. I looked at reach through.
come on, Chip. Oh, come on!
Oh, you shit.
Do it! Yeah,
Okay, that's good. Actually, really good.
Man, points.
Oh, come on.
Wild?
Yeah, wild. Come on, I want some chips. Oh, freaking nice. Come on, big one here.
Minor and Vinny's hand. Come on.
Oh, look at that. It's all right. Big bonus. $25 bet here with Band City.
Awesome, guys.
10 cents. Oh, come on.
$25 bet.
Oh, a reacher as well. Come
Oh,
on.
come on, do it! Oh.
Oh, reacher.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
I hear you. It's gonna come through. Oh,
Wild!
wow.
Wild! Oh, man.
All right.
Wild's a hand
Still
pick.
big.
Oh, Wild's a hand pick.
For sure it was. Come on, retrigger that.
Do it! Oh.
Oh, man.
Come on. Chip!
Oh. Come on, chips. Oh, no. On 10 cents again.
Your bet. Your birthday.
Oh, this is BB all over it. Let's get the
Wild.
BB hand pad. Oh,
Chips.
that would do it. Oh, come on.
Wild.
That do it though. Oh, golly, I saw that.
What? Hey, that's
Oh,
good.
that's good.
350.
Yeah. Come on, chips. Oh, no, not now. Okay.
Oh, man.
It's all right.
Chip,
Oh,
chip,
that would
chip,
do it.
chip. Oh.
Oh, you freaking jerk. 2. Wow. Not bad, though. 350.
That's why we're still at this machine.
$25 bet, 10 cent Dino. About to conquer this major, guys. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. Who's starting? Nate's starting her out. Oh yeah, I see them blues all over. But don't you dare scrap.
Hey,
nice.
hey.
Alright. You got more than that in you though.
It's got a minor in it and a major.
Come on. Let me see this one. Oh, I saw that green pass by.
Oh, come on, Nate. Oh, it's right here.
Again. Oh, really?
$300.
Alright guys, 10 cents, $25 Dino. I drank a little too much, dude. $25 bet, 10 cent Dino. Come on, you.
Let's get that major this way. How about that?
Yes. Oh my.
Oh, wild. Oh,
That's
no.
still good. Nope.
Oh, wow.
Oh, come on.
Wild.
Chips.
Oh.
Oh, you.
Wild. Nope. Wild. Oh. All right. Chips right here, guys. Chips right here. I lied.
Yep, let's get
Hand pay
it.
for days right here.
Come on, let's get some chips in it, guys.
Oh,
Oh,
wild.
okay.
Oh, I hate it.
I know, this can be the meanest freaking machine. Come on now. Oh,
Wild. Yes.
nice.
That's good.
Well, yeah.
400.
400.
Come on now. I want the chips.
Yes. Hey.
All
Okay.
right, that's good.
Come on, Wild. Oh, chips.
Do the chips.
Oh, no.
Dang it. Only halfway through.
I know, chips is a hand pay.
Yeah, it should be.
One chip drops a hand pay.
Come on, chips. Right now.
Wild?
Wild?
Oh. Chip. Nope.
Nope, that wouldn't do it. That
One time.
Come on, chips. Alright, not bad. I mean, $1,200. Here we are again. $25 bet. 10-cent Dino. Let's get this thing going. Alright, something big now. Ooh.
Wild? Yes.
Oh, wow.
It's good, guys.
That is good. 460 seconds spin. Oh, come on, chips.
Chips. Oh. God.
Where are the chips at, guys? Two more.
Oh, there it was.
Yeah, I saw it.
Chips.
Come on, chips.
Chips. Oh.
Lordy.
Wow.
Oh, come on. Oh, please be them. Alright. Wow, man. Those chips are stingy. Alright, guys. $25 bet. 10-cent denom. Don't be one of those. I will. Okay.
Come on,
I
Mike.
see that
the blue's
miner
coming
around,
out.
too. Where's that blue guy?
Come on, Nate. Get that miner.
Oh, come on, Nick. Oh, there was 500 by two.
Oh.
Beautiful.
Hey, and that. That's
And that.
225.
Come on.
Oh.
Oh. Come on, dude. Get it. Oh, that was 500. Come on, Meiji.
Yes.
Yeah.
Come on. Get it. Get it, Nate.
Come
Oh.
on. There it was.
Get it, TJ.
I'm getting it, guys. Watch. Right here. You're here first. No. Get it,
Birthday
dude.
major.
Birthday Major.
Nope.
Yep.
Still
It's
good.
alright. Great hit. Yeah, I'm not mad about that.
Some up.
$25 bet. 10-cent deal. Glare is bad.
Oh. Major.
That boy's starting.
Oh.
Yeah.
another. Come on.
Yes. Come on, Nate. Get it, bro.
Come on, Major.
Major. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
100. Yes.
Nice.
Oh!
There it was. Son of a biscuit. Come on, AG. That's UBD. Birthday boy, gonna get that major.
Oh, I saw it again.
Minor.
Oh! Alright. It's gonna be close, actually.
That's fine, too. Alright, guys. 25-cent denom.
$35
Free.
bet, 10-cent deal.
That's it.
Get the right shimmy in there.
Shimmy dimmy.
Major.
Come on out. Oh, beautiful.
Hell yeah.
Big one's up.
Hell yeah.
That's good. Oh, come on. Oh, I saw that minor float by.
Yes.
Yes, that's a good one. Keep getting them big ones, dude.
Come on, TJ.
Alright, I gotta hit this. Come on. What's it gonna be? Nothing.
It's gonna be a major.
He's got it though.
Oh! Is that a hand fan?
We're
I don't
close.
think so. I think it's close though. Just under.
Nope. Right on.
Just under.
Hell yeah.
Alright, no taxes, guys. That ain't a bad thing.
Oh! I know.
Come on, get it.
$25 bet. There's the minor. Let's go.
That green's coming. Brian. Oh, did you see that other blue? It's coming.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hand pay.
Okay.
Hand pay.
Green's coming.
Major time now.
Oh, that blue keeps floating. You see that?
Hell yeah.
Oh, God.
Hold her up.
They were on both. And the major. Oh, shit balls.
Let's go. Oh, that's alright. Hey.
That's great.